Today we'll talk about circular function. When it comes to circular function, given a angle measure, and you want to choose a point on the terminal side of the angle theta, but we'll choose the point on the terminal side when the r is 1, meaning the point should be on the unit circle and the terminal side of the angle theta. Since we are choosing hypotenuse, the radius r is always 1, y and x. So this is circular function, cosine theta, sine theta. At the beginning of chapter 2, it was y over r. Since we are choosing r equals 1, sine theta is simply y coordinate, and x over r, but r we chose to be 1 since we are choosing a unicircle point, and x is simply cosine theta. So if you know the point on the unit circle, and that point is on the terminal side of the angle theta, simply the x value, this point right here, is xy. X is a cosine theta value, y is a sine theta value. Of course, tangent theta is y over x, the same as trig functions when we did check section 2.3. And a cosecant theta will be 1 over y. Secant theta will be 1 over x. Cotangent theta will be x over y. And so among those angles, I chose special angles, this one. Now let's say, if I want to look at cosine 5 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6 in quadrant 2, so you're looking at this point right here. The point negative square root 3 over 2 and 1. This is your x and y value on the terminal side of the angle, and the point is on the unit circle. And so cosine is x coordinate value, so this will be your cosine 5 pi over 6. And then sine 5 pi over 6 is a y value, in that case 1 over 2. And these are circular functions. Of course, tangent 5 pi over 6 is y over x, so 1 over 2 over negative square root of 3 over 2. You can cancel 1 over 2 and 1 over 2. You would have negative 1 over square root of 3. Of course, you rationalize it by multiplying square root of 3. So negative square root of 3 over 3. And cosecant 5 pi over 6 is the reciprocal of 1 over 2, which is 2. Secant 5 pi over 6 is reciprocal of cosine, so which is negative 2 over square root of 3. You're welcome to rationalize it by multiplying square root of 3. And cotangent 5 pi over 6 is a reciprocal of negative 1 over square root of 3, which is negative square root of 3. This is section 3.3, and you can do that for any other angles.